Bobby Stein, y'all. This clip is from June of 2025. I've been going through my old video files and came across this one of Downtown Greenville, which I think I posted last year. But it's a good video of Downtown Greenville, so I thought I would run it again with a voiceover this time. So I actually started out at the waterfront, and I came down the levee, and then I'm going back over downtown. You can see we're going over Transmontane again, the fuel depot. And this is down around Hines Street. Yeah, this is Hines Street at about 5 o'clock. You can see the church right there. And one street over to the right is South Broadway. Going up Hines Street, the empty space at around 9 o'clock, that's where Chicago Mill used to be. And you can see Lake Ferguson on the left, and then you can see Downtown Greenville coming into view. See the Greenville Water Tower there. And now we're starting to go over South Broadway. You can see the new apartments that were built. And now we're over South Broadway. Continuing north. And all the way up there at about 11 o'clock, I believe that's the gypsum company you can barely see. So to the left there about 9 o'clock, that's the First National Bank, what it used to be. And to the right, that's the old Greenville Hotel. That's going over Main Street now. And now we're coming up to Washington Avenue. We're going down Washington. Now the courthouse, county courthouse, is coming into view, and just beyond that is the old Bell South telephone building. And it's this point that I probably started getting interference, so I decided to come back and land. And you see we're turning around, pointed west, going back down Washington Avenue. I believe that's the old Liberty Cash grocery store at 5 o'clock. And there's the old Washington Federal Savings, now Guaranty Bank. And we just went over the old Greenville Buick building. And that's looking down Broadway, down South Broadway. Again, the old First National Bank, which is now the Icon building. There's the Hebrew Union Temple at 6 o'clock, and there's the First Baptist Church. To the right of that is the Greenville Public Library, and to the right of that is the post office. And we're continuing really down Main Street. You can see the levee now. So that's it, folk. Hope you enjoyed the video.